use of venom by various species of animals is well documented. Venom is a toxin that is injected into the body through a bite or sting, and can have both physiological and psychological effects on its victim. Venom can be used for defense, hunting prey, and to kill prey. The type of venom varies depending on the animal's diet and environment. For example, a snake that eats mostly warm-blooded prey will have venom which affects the blood and tissue, whereas a snake that eats mostly cold-blooded prey will have venom which affects the nervous system. The potency of venom also varies from one animal to another. Some venoms are more deadly than others because they contain more toxic proteins or enzymes than others, or because they affect different parts of the body differently with their toxins, such as neurotoxins. Hello and thank you for joining us as we give you another episode of Beastly Acts, where in today's video you will learn everything you need to know about poisonous snakes, including how to identify them, what they eat, and where they live. Learn about different types of dangerous snakes and the venomous venoms they carry. Understand why some people might have a fear of snakes, and learn all about snakebite. But before we continue, be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the notification bell to get notified about our latest videos. Thanks. Okay, let's begin. 5 most venomous types of snake venom that can kill you within minutes. Venomous snakes are a type of snake that injects venom from bites or stings to kill prey and defend themselves. Venom is a tissue toxin that can be delivered through fangs, stingers, or spurs. Poisonous snakes have venom in their saliva and use it to kill prey or defend themselves. They are often called venomous because they produce toxic substances on their skin, which may be in the form of scales or other parts of the body. There are many different types of poisonous snakes, but here are 5 deadliest venomous snakes on Earth. These 5 deadliest venomous snakes are: Number 1. Black Mamba. Black Mamba. The black mamba is the fastest snake on Earth, and it can reach speeds of up to 18 kilometers per hour. It has a highly potent venom, and its bite can kill an adult human within 20 minutes. It's also one of the longest snakes in Africa, with some specimens reaching over 7 meters. Number 2. King Cobra. The king cobra is a large venomous snake and one of the largest members of the cobra family. The snake gets its name from its habit of making a hissing sound when it feels threatened or excited. It's native to Asia, with some specimens reaching 22 feet in length and weighing as much as 13 pounds. Number 3. Inland taipan. The inland taipan is the most venomous snake in the world. It can be found in Australia, but it can also be found in some parts of New Guinea. The inland taipan is a large snake, with adults averaging around 3 meters long. They live in areas where there are lots of termite mounds and other sources of food. The inland taipan is a very aggressive snake that will strike quickly and repeatedly if provoked or threatened. The venom from a single bite can kill an adult human being within hours, so it is important to stay away from these snakes at all costs. Number 4. Eastern brown snake. Eastern brown snakes are usually found in the eastern parts of Australia. They are also known as the common brown snake, common death adder, and the king brown snake. Eastern brown snakes can grow up to 1.8 meters in length, including their tail. They are usually dark brown to black in color with a cream or white belly. The head is generally a darker color than the rest of the body, and their scales have a rough texture. Eastern brown snakes live near water sources and prey on animals, such as frogs, lizards, birds, and rodents. They will also eat other snakes if they can catch them. Number 5. Coral snakes. Coral snakes are so called because of the red, yellow, and black bands that they exhibit. They are found in the Americas. They can be distinguished from other types of snakes by their distinctive coloring, which is often confused by people with non-venomous species. Coral snakes have a neurotoxic venom, which affects the human nervous system, causing paralysis and eventually death if not treated immediately. Venomous snakes have a poisonous bite that can kill you in a matter of hours. Snakes are one of the most feared animals in the world. They can be found all over the world, but they are mostly found in tropical and subtropical regions. Venomous snakes are deadly because they inject their prey with venom that contains neurotoxins to paralyze them. The neurotoxins can also cause other effects, such as paralysis and death. So the next time you see a snake, remember that they prefer to be left alone. If you're not a trained wrangler, then don't approach them. And that's all about venomous snakes for now. Don't forget to tune in again, because we'll be back soon with more.